Today's video is about how to create your first app on Android Studio. Let's start. Now, firstly, create a new project. Then empty views activity. Next, then your application name, like my apps. Then package name. Package name basically firstly com, then your company name. Like usually you use your name also. Yes, company name must be unique. Then package name basically makes by company name, firstly com, then company name, then your apps name. Then save directory. This directory you want to save your apps. And select language, select Java, then minimum SDK. What you want. Then build Gradle configuration. That's I select Groovy. Build configuration language. Then finish. After a few minutes, it's started.